Brickell Key is a 44-acre man-made island just east of downtown Miami. Brickell houses more foreign consulates than any other part of the United States and is the second largest financial district in the country. The Ocean Drive and South Beach areas started as a humble coconut farm in 1870, but then it all transformed through the 1930s Art Deco revolution and 1980s fashion renaissance to the now world-famous tourist destination which hosts more than 20 million visitors each year. Wynwood is a must-experience for lovers of street art. Formerly abandoned warehouses are revitalized by massive graffiti masterpieces and now serve as a hub for entertainment and art, including the Wynwood Walls, which houses 80,000 square feet of art from 50 artists representing 16 countries. Miami's design district started as a pineapple farm and grew into a mecca of more than 100 art galleries, antique dealers, and high-end fashion. Make sure to see Buckminster Fuller Fly's Eye Dome and the Andrews Skate Park in the heart of Jungle Plaza. Finally, the Everglades. The 1.5 million acre national park houses the world's tallest cypress trees, some more than 600 years old. Break away from the Gumbo Limbo Trail to a buried path and you'll find Hidden Lake, a site which few have witnessed. The Glades is home to 16 endangered species and is the only place on Earth where alligators and crocodiles coexist. Your 5 Best shares drone footage every day from our 50-city tour. If you love it, hit us with a like and subscribe, and tell us your favorite shot in the comments. Thanks for watching, and never forget, adventure is healthy.